Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. And now click install and click open. Now you have to allow this application access to your files and then click back. Now you can decide if you want to see notifications from this application and click dismiss. And now your RAR application is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.